Welcome to Cambodian School. Today we are learning lesson 17 from Siev Pheuv Rien An textbook by Pan Setharin. Lesson 17 in Khmer we sayមេរៀនទី17. It's on page 20. In this lesson we are reviewing of what we have learned from lesson 10 through lesson 16. So reviewing lesson in Khmer we say រៀនសាដើមឡើងវិញ. So we have seen these pictures. The first picture reads da, which means to walk. The second picture reads day, which means to sew. The third picture reads gao, which means to shave. And the fourth picture reads gao ke, which means to not add. Okay? Now let's look at what we have learned in more detail. Okay? So we have learned another set of vowels. Okay? From sra all the way through sra ao. And also another set of the first series consonant from da to na. Okay, for the vowels, please note of the dotted circle here. These are where the consonants are placed when they're combined with these vowels. Okay, and the sound of these vowels are used with the first series consonant. Okay, so now let's read the name of these vowels. Okay, sra o, sra o, sra u, sra a, sra u, sra i, sra e, sra I, sra I, sra ao, and sra au. Now the consonant da, thaw, thaw, bhaw, phaw, na. Now let's read these words when we're combining the vowels and the consonant together. Okay, let's start with da. Okay, do, do, đũa, đỡ, đứa, đĩa, để, đái, đáy, đáo, and đau. With thỏ, thọ, thổ, thủa, thở, thửa, thía, thế, thái, thái, tháo, and thảo. Now with the second thaw, thọ, thổ, thủa, thở, thửa, thía, thế, thái, thái, tháo, thảo. Now with bhaw, bộ, bố, búa, bả, bứa, bía, bế, bái, báy, báo, bao. With paw, po, po, púa, phở, phứa, pía, phế, phái, pháy, pháo, phao. Finally with no, no, nấu, núa, nở, nứa, nía, nế, nái, náy, now, now. Now let's review the vocabularies. We have quite a few of them. Okay, now let's look at the first set. Go, to stir. Do, table. Thaw, lion. Toe, vase. Khai, month or moon. Day, to sew or stitch. Die, also to or indeed. Kur, brain. Dur, actor or performer. Day, earth, ground or land. Da, to walk. Dai, hand, arm or handle. Tai, tea. Tai, to take care of. Okay, now let's look at another set of vocabulary. Jai, lice. Kai, to drill. Dur, dwarf or midget. Jia, to clip or trim. Jiao, thief or robber. Jiao, grandchild. Gao, to shave or cheat. Gai, trigger. Gai, to correct, fix or repair. Gear, to pile up or round up. Bow, ribbon or color headband. Bai, to turn around. Pie, a duck or floating house. Cow, pants or trouser. Let's look at vocabulary with multiple syllables. Kia day, loving the earth. Cha chow, to disturb, bother, or annoy. Bhaw bhaw, porridge. Bhaw bow, lip or rim. Gaw kê, to nibble or gnaw at. Now let's look at the sentences. Okay. Kê đê, she sew. Kê đao, she walks. Ta bày cháu, grandfather carries grandchild. Ta thải cháu, grandfather takes care of grandchild. Cháu cha cháu ta, grandchild disturb grandfather. Bồ ná kia đầy, bồ ná level the earth. In this case, bồ ná is the name of a boy. Okay, so lesson 17, in Khmer we say mê riêng tí đập rằm pì. In this lesson we are reviewing of what we have learned from lesson 10 through lesson 16. So reviewing lesson, in Khmer we say riêng sa đám làng vinh. Okay, it's on page 20. 20 in Khmer we say mapai. Okay, so page 20 we say tumpo ti mapai. We have also learned numbers through reading page number as well as lesson number through 20 now. So let's review our number from 11 through 20. Start from 11. Okay. Đập muối, đập pí, đập bấy, đập bốn, đập pram, đập pram muối, đập pram pí, đập pram bấy, đập pram bốn, mapai. Okay. So if you still need to read all the above phonetically, please go to prior lesson for your review. Otherwise, let's practice our writing. Okay, please take out a piece of paper and pencil and learn how to write the vowels, the consonant, and a combination of the vowels and the consonant. Okay, so let's start with the vowels. Okay, start with the O. So O, just a little hook. Start with a hook. Sra O. Sra U. Okay. So sra O, sra O, sra U, these are located below the consonant. Okay. Now sra A. Okay. Sra U. Okay. Sra I. Sra A. Sra I. Sra I. Sra Ao. And sra Ao. Okay. Now the consonant. Start with daw. Daw is down, up, down, and up. And this half circle here. The first thaw with a hook, down straight, right, up, like that. The second thaw, down, right, up, left, like that. Okay. Now with bhaw, straight down, right, up, okay, like that. Okay, now with phaw, down, up, inside circle, left a little bit, it's like that. And gnaw, inside circle, up, down a little bit, up. Okay. So since there's so many vowels and consonants on this page, we're gonna combine 3 vowels to each of the letter. Okay. First start with daw. we can combine the first three vowels. Okay, so we're gonna write do. Do is do, do, do. Okay, do. There we go. Now do. Then it's o, do. Do is ua, đùa, right? Đùa. Okay. And now with thaw for the next three vowels. Okay. So write tha, tha. Thaw is out, tha. Okay. So tha. Okay. So here tha. Now thừa. Thaw is thừa. Okay. Tia. Thaw is tia. Okay. Now with the second thaw, with the next sets of three vowels, thaw is a, te, te. Okay. Okay. Now Thai. Thaw is I, Thai. Okay. Now Thai. Thaw is I, Thai. Okay. Now bhaw with the last two vowels, ow and ow. Okay. Notice that these two vowels here, their component has the a shape. So when that happens, we have to change this bhaw here to this shape. So let's change its shape first. So we're going to change the bhaw. Okay, so to change it, we down, straight down, left, up. Okay, so we change this bhaw to this shape when we combine the bhaw with sra or other vowels that has component that look just like sra. Okay, so in this case, ow and sra do have that component. Now write bhaw, bhaw sra, bhaw. Okay, so write bhaw. Bhaw. Now write bhaw, bhaw sra, bhaw. Okay. Now for phaw, we're going to randomly add the vowels, okay? So we're going to try pa, pause it out, pa. Okay, I'm going to randomly add here. Pa. Okay. Now write pie. Pause I, pie. Okay. Now write poor. Okay. Once again, we just do it randomly for paw. Okay, that's poor. Now for na, okay, let's go with no. Okay. All right. Then near, nose ear near. Okay. Now finally, now. Nói it out now. Okay. Now let's go back to the main page. Okay. So lesson 17 in Khmer we say មេរៀនទី17. It's on page 20. In Khmer we say ទំព័រទី20. In this lesson we are reviewing of what we have learned from lesson 10 to lesson 16. So reviewing lesson we say in Khmer រៀនសារដើមឡើងវិញ. Okay, this first picture reads ដើរ which means to walk. Second picture reads day, which means to sew. The third picture reads gao, which means to shave. And the fourth picture reads gao gay, which means to gnaw at. Okay, so we have now completed our review from lesson 10 to lesson 16. Okay, so if you feel comfortable with this review, please go to lesson 17 exercises video to test your understanding of this review. If you still need more practice, please repeat this video or prior videos as needed. I'm Alai. For more info or feedback, please visit Cambodian School of San Francisco. Thanks.